Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to personalize your desktop with widgets, themes and custom tasks. So what you can do, just simply come over into your start icon or any of your blank taskbar, click on the task settings, and then you just need to come over into personalization and taskbar. And from here, you just simply can select the widgets if you like. Then if you turn on the widgets, and then if you just want to change the themes over here, like I will go for the personalization and then go for the themes. You can choose any of your preferable themes over here. Also, we can browse themes from here, click on that, and you will get different options of themes over here into Microsoft Store. You can see lots of theme over here. Also, we can choose it as well. And then if you go for the personalization another time and then go for taskbar over here, you can also change the taskbar behavior over here. You can customize it if you want it to automatically hide the taskbar. You can see now it's disabled. If you click on this automatic hide the taskbar, you can check it as well. Also, you can show badges on taskbar apps. If you don't want to see the badges, just simply turn it off. And if you just see the badges, then simply turn it on. After that, if you also do the show flashing on taskbar apps, you can do it as well. If you turn it off, it will looks like this. And if you just show flashing on taskbar apps, it will show this like this. So this is how you can customize your taskbar. Also, you can use widgets and themes into your Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.